Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Leveler. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video on your iPhone. Now, unfortunately, there's no built-in feature in the default photo app that allows you to reverse a video on your iPhone. But don't worry, I've got you covered with an easy solution. First, let's open up your browser on your iPhone and navigate to easygif.com. I'll leave a link in the description below for you to click on. Once you're on easygif.com, select a Video to GIF from the menu. Then under Reverse, select Choose File. You can select the video that you want to reverse from either your photo library or your camera roll, or if you have it saved as a file, you can choose that file there. After you've selected your video, click on the Upload Video. easygif.com will then give you an example so you can watch the video that was uploaded. Once you're ready to reverse the video, scroll down to the Options section. Here you can reverse the sound or mute it if you prefer. Then select Reverse Video and let easygif.com do the processing for you. And there you have it. You now have your video in reverse. To save the video, simply select Save from the bottom menu and download it to your iPhone. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check out the links in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.